In the next 5 years, AI won't just live on your screen. It will start acting in your world, real world, opening doors, moving objects, making decisions that have physical consequences. And most people think this is about robots replacing humans. It's not. That's the wrong question. The real shift is much bigger than that. We are about to move from intelligence that responds to intelligence that acts, and almost nobody is thinking about what that actually means. Because once AI leaves the screen, you don't just get better answers, you get outcomes. And outcomes can go wrong, horribly wrong. Let me show you something very simple. I want you to imagine something, not a robot, not a factory, not a sci-fi film. I want you to imagine the last time you held a door open for a stranger. You didn't calculate it, you didn't run an algorithm, you read the situation, the weight of what they were carrying, the angle of their movement, the timing of it, and your body just responded effortlessly. That right there is what billions of dollars are currently trying to teach a machine to do. Welcome back. If you are here new or the first time, I am Gautam, and this channel is about one thing: help you think more clearly about the technology that is reshaping your world and how do we humans fit in there. It's about humanization of technology, and today we are talking about physical AI. And by the end of this video, you won't just understand what it is, you will understand why most people are thinking about it completely wrong. Let's start with the basics, but let's do it differently. You have heard about generative AI, large language models, applications like ChatGPT, Cloud, Gemini. These systems live entirely on the screen for us. You type, they respond. And the physical world, it barely exists to them. Physical AI is different. Physical AI is intelligence that doesn't just generate, acts in our real world. In the real world, in real time, with real consequences. It's AI embedded in machines, robots, vehicles, surgical systems, warehouse platforms, and that can see, decide, and do things. Not in sequence though, simultaneously. Jensen Huang, the CEO of NVIDIA, stood on the stage of CES and called this the next big thing. And now, whenever a Silicon Valley billionaire says that, you should feel two things at the same time: curiosity and skepticism. Hold both, because both are justified. Here is the real shift. Traditional robots followed instructions. Every movement was predefined, every scenario was anticipated. Change something small, a different object, a different angle, and the system breaks. Physical AI doesn't just execute, it interprets. It uses foundation models similar to the ones behind generative AI, but trained on the physical world. It understands physics, it understands movement, interaction, uncertainty. The shift is subtle but profound. From machines that follow instructions to systems that understand situations, and that changes everything. Let me give you a sense of the scale, because most people are underestimating this by a lot. In 2024, global investment in robotics hit $7.5 billion, not over a decade, in 1 year. This isn't scattered experimentation. It's concentrated, serious bets. A company called Physical Intelligence raised $600 million at $5.6 billion valuation. What do they build? Not robots, a brain for the robots. Yes, you heard that right. A foundation model that can be dropped into different machines and it learns how to operate them. Jeff Bezos invested and also did Google. Tesla is testing humanoid robots in its factories. BMW has deployed them on assembly lines. Amazon now operates over 1 million robots. And here is the acceleration. 21 new humanoid robot models in 2025. That number was 3 just 3 years earlier. And the market, roughly $5 billion today, projected to reach somewhere between $70 billion to $80 billion in the next decade. In more aggressive scenarios, hundreds of billions of dollars. Now, when you hear that number, something happens. You either feel excitement or an anxiety, possibly both. But neither is the right reaction yet, because there is a deeper question here, and almost nobody is asking it. Here is the assumption sitting underneath most conversations about physical AI, that the challenge is technical. Can it balance? Can it grip the objects? Can it navigate the space around it? Yes, those challenges are real. Battery life is limited, dexterity is still behind humans, but that's not the real bottleneck. The real bottleneck is how we think about it. Right now, the dominant question is, will robots replace humans? It's a clean question. It's simple. It's also wrong. And more importantly, it's a bit dangerous, I would say, because it leads organizations to deploy physical AI as a cost-cutting tool instead of a capability-expanding system. The World Economic Forum highlighted this in 2025. The companies seeing the biggest gains were not replacing humans. They were redesigning systems around humans plus machine collaboration. Take Amazon. Not because they removed people, but because they redesigned the entire workflow. Humans and machines working together, not in competition, but in coordination and cooperation. And the result? Higher efficiency, faster movement, more skilled roles, more robots, and more skilled humans. And that's not a coincidence, that's a design. And yet the narrative we keep hearing is still fear, still replacement, still us versus them. Let me offer you a better frame. Physical AI is not about replacement, it's about amplification. At its best, it takes one human and expands that they can perceive, process, and do. Think about that. One person with the reach of 20 or even more. A single engineer can monitor an entire industrial system through AI interpreting thousands of sensor signals. A small logistic team can manage operations that once required dozens of people. A surgeon can operate with a level of precision informed by millions of prior procedures. This is not elimination. This is multiplication, amplification. This is technology doing what it has always done, and its best, extending human capability. And here is what makes this movement different. Every previous wave of automation focused on one dimension. Mechanization replaced muscle, computers replaced calculation. Physical AI does something new, very new. It combines perception, decision making, and action, and all together in messy, unpredictable, real-world environments as well. This is not an upgrade, it's a new category. For the first time in history, the physical world is becoming programmable. Let that set in. Now, we need to slow down because the excitement is moving faster than the questions. And that's where risk lives. First, the workforce. Yes, new roles will be created, but transitions are not automatic and they are rarely fair. If physical AI is deployed purely to reduce cost, then the cost is simply transferred, usually to the people least able to absorb it. That's not innovation, that's displacement. Second, physical autonomy. When digital AI gets something wrong, what do you get? You get a bad answer. When physical AI gets something wrong, something breaks or someone gets hurt. That changes the ethical threshold completely. Third, who decides? Right now, the systems shaping physical AI are being designed by a small group of companies. Most people who will live alongside these systems, they have no input. That's a problem. Not because of bad intent, but because systems designed without lived experiences. And this always produces unintended consequences. Technology without participation becomes imposition, and we should be paying attention to that, and that's extremely critical and important. But let's come back to that door that you were holding at the start. You didn't calculate it, you understood it, and you responded. That kind of intelligence, situational, human embodied, is that what we are now trying to replicate? And in many contexts, that's a good thing. Dangerous work, repetitive strain, unsafe environments, no one should have spent their life doing those things. No humans. Physical AI done right can give us something back. the ability to apply human intelligence where it actually matters. But the real question is not, should this technology exist? The real question is, in whose interest is it being deployed? Because the future of physical AI will not be decided by the technology itself. It will be decided by the choices we make about how to use it. And those choices belong to all of us, not just the people building it. Let's continue to keep humanization of technology at the center of everything we are building and will be building. Thank you. I am Gautam. Think carefully and please stay curious. And I'll see you in the next one. If this has made you see technology a little differently, that's exactly why I make these videos. Please subscribe if you want more such conversations about technology and what it means to be a human in the middle of it. Thank you.